नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में आप डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। सो आफ्टर वीक क्लोज ऑन वेडनेसडे फॉर ऑल थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस, द डाउ फ्यूचर्स हैव बाउंस्ड बैक, राइजिंग 1.41% टुडे. The rebound follows a US federal court ruling that struck down President Trump's tariff orders, calling them unconstitutional and beyond presidential powers. The decision overturns the April 2 orders that imposed the 10% tariffs on most imports and higher duties on nations with large trade surplus like China and the EU. Technically, the major trend of the S&P 500 is bullish as it is quoting above its crucial moving averages. Going ahead, the index is likely to test the level of 6,000 followed by 6,080 in the short term. While on the downside, the zone of 5,860 to 5,840 will act as an immediate support for the index. Talking about Brent crude is oscillating near its 20-day EMA level since the last 10 trading sessions. Going ahead, the zone of $65 to $65.2 is likely to act as a key resistance. On the downside, the zone of $63 to $62.8 is expected to provide immediate support. Talking about the US dollar index, the US dollar index continued its pullback rally for the third consecutive trading session, and it has surged above its 20-day EMA level. Going high, the zone of 101 to 101.2 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index, while on the downside, the zone of 99.8 to 99.6 will act as an immediate support. Talking about Nifty's view, the benchmark index Nifty has been consolidating within a broad range of 25,116 to 24,462 over the past 12 trading sessions, reflecting indecision and lack of clear directional momentum. This prolonged sideways movement has led to flattening of key moving averages, indicating a loss of trend strength. Supporting this observation, the 14-period daily ADX, a key trend strength indicator, is now quoting near the 20 mark and has been in the declining mode for the past 7 sessions, signaling weakening trend strength. Interestingly, while Nifty remains range-bound, the broader markets are painting a different picture. Both the Nifty Midcap 100 and Nifty Small Cap 100 indices are showing relative outperformance compared to the frontline index. In conclusion, while Nifty's consolidation phase suggests a cautious undertone, the relative strength in mid-cap and small-cap segments offer a silver lining. This divergence highlights the importance of a stock-specific approach with a focus on quality names in the broader market. Until Nifty witnesses a decisive breakout from its current range, traders and investors may find better opportunities by aligning with the emerging momentum in mid and small cap stocks. अगर हम क्रूशियल लेवल्स की बात करें निफ्टी के लिए, द जोन ऑफ 24,700 to 24,670 will act as a crucial support for the index. If the index slips below the level of 24,670, then the next crucial support is placed at the 24,540 level. While on the upside, the zone of 24,950 to 24,980 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index. If the index sustains above the level of 24,980, then it is likely to test the level of 25,100 followed by 25,230 in the short term. On the derivative front, the May futures dipped by 0.4%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series surged by 3.14%. The 24,800 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 24,900 strike. On the put side, the 24,700 has a substantial open interest, followed by 24,600 strike. For the monthly series, the OI put call ratio is at 0.66. Talking about Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty has been trading in the sideways zone for the last 24 trading sessions. However, the major trend of the index remains bullish. Going ahead, if we talk about the key levels for Bank Nifty, the zone of 55,100 to 55,000 will act as an immediate support, while on the upside, the 55,600 to 55,700 zone is expected to act as a key hurdle. Now, talking about Sensex view, on Wednesday, the benchmark index Sensex traded in a narrow range of 369 points and ended the session on a negative note. Going ahead, the zone of 81,100 to 81,000 will act as an immediate support for the index. While on the upside, the zone of 81,900 to 82,000 will be the crucial hurdle for the index. On the derivative front, the weekly futures dipped by 0.26% and the open interest of the current series has surged by 8.41%, which indicates an overall short buildup. The 81,500 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 82,000 strike. On the put side, 81,000 has a substantial open interest, followed by an 80,500 strike. The OI put call ratio is at 0.60. Now, talking about the key market indicators, the volatility gauge India VIX slipped by nearly 3% on Wednesday. Going ahead, the zone of 19.2 to 19.5 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index, while the zone of 17.4 to 17.2 will act as a crucial support. If we talk about the advanced decline ratio remained flat for the second consecutive trading session. अगर हम की सेक्टर्स की बात करें, द निफ्टी पीएसयू बैंक इज ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ गिविंग अ हॉरिजॉन्टल ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेकआउट ऑन द डेली स्केल. The daily RSI is in a bullish territory and it is in the rising mode. Hence, we believe it is likely to outperform in the short term. Apart from this, sectors like Nifty Metal, Realty, PSE, CPSE, private banks, financial services, and the defense space are likely to outperform in the short term. Now, talking about the FI/DI data in the cash segment, both the FIs and DIs were net buyers yesterday to the tune of 4,663 crores and 7,912 crores respectively. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 28.81, as on a net basis they sold 11,568 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.